Welcome to SRN Knowledge Center. Greetings, dear learners. I am Faculty of Science at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today we will learn about a topic taken from grade 10th, chapter 13, Science, that is magnetic effect of current. As this is the second part of this video, let's begin with. Today we will cover Flemming left hand rule, electromagnetic induction, electromagnetic generator, then we will learn some domestic circuits. So let's start. Force on a current carrying conductor. When a current carrying conductor is placed inside a magnetic field, it will experience a force. Now we can see the circuit that a current is flowing across the terminals of positive and negative terminals of the cell, and through the closed loop we can have the circuit diagram. Now an electric circuit that flows through a conductor produces magnetic field. The magnetic field exerts a force on a bar magnet placed close to the conductor. Now we will apply Flemming left hand rule to know the direction of magnetic field, current and force. So the forefinger in the direction of magnetic field will give you the direction of magnetic field. The middle finger will give the direction of current and thumb will give you the direction of motion. So this is the Flemming left hand rule. Here we can see this thumb will show you the direction of motion. This forefinger will give you the direction of magnetic field, and the current which gives the direction of current, that is the middle finger. Now all three fingers should be in perpendicular direction to each other. Now let's talk about motor, electric motor. An electric motor is an electromechanical device that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. A motor uses magnet to create motion. Fans, blowers, pumps, disc drives, etc. are the example of electric motors. The picture shows you the different devices like fan, blower and pump. Every device needs rotation, and for rotation we require motor. Motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, and that mechanical energy gives the rotation, and that is the principle of the working of these devices. Now let's talk about electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction is the generation of current from one magnetic coil to the another magnetic coil. So the production of electric current across the conductor moving through a magnetic field. Slide a bar magnet in and out of a coil of the wire to see the current being generated. Now in the picture we can see that a coil is there, and inside it a magnet which is having north pole and south pole is there. When you move the magnet inside the coil, there will be the variation in the magnetic field, and when this variation in the magnetic field is associated with the coil, the current will be induced in it, and the generation of current you can observe with the help of an ammeter which is attached to the device. Now electric generator is the device which is used to generate electricity. Now there are two images. One is one which shows the mechanical energy, and this mechanical energy will help you to generate electrical energy with the help of electromagnetic induction. Now let's talk about the generated electricity. There are two types of current, that is alternating current and direct current. So there are difference between alternating current and direct current. So this table will show you that what are the difference. Changes direction after equal interval of time. Alternating means it changes direction in equal interval of time from positive half circle to negative half circle. Whereas in direct current it do not changes direction with time. Alternating current reverses its direction periodically, while direct current always flow in one direction. In alternating current, electric power is transmitted over long distance without much loss of energy. But when we talk about direct current, it is not possible at all. Direct current are used for very short distance, like we are having batteries, and with the help of battery, phones, laptops and other devices can be run. So the battery or direct current is used for shorter distance, while alternating current is used for power transmission from the power plant, power station to our homes. Now there are some domestic circuits. So electric power is generated far away with electric power at 11,000 volts, and an alternating voltage frequency is about 50 hertz. And this image shows that how power generation and power transmission are there, and that is transmitted to our homes also. Now as we know that for power transmission a very useful device, that is wires, are used. So electric power line enters our house through 3 wires, namely live wires, which is red in color, the neutral wire, which is black in color, and earth wire, generally it is green in color, and these all wires are insulated with plastic so that there is no contact between or among these wires. So green show the earth wire, then neutral means 0 volt, and the live wire, which is having the maximum voltage, that is 220 volt. So for power supply there is a very important device which we are using, that is fuse. A fuse ensures that there is no damage that occurs to any appliances in case of current overloading. It means that if there is large amount of current flowing through the circuit, the fuse will melt and there will be the stopping in the flow of electric current, and that's why we can ensure the safety of the appliances with the help of these fuses. Now there is a very interesting section, that is, did you know, unlike the field of bar magnet, the earth's magnetic field changes as time goes by because it is generated by motion of molten iron alloys in the earth's outer core. So this is the reason why earth is magnetized, but it changes because the molten iron flows from one point to another point. Flemming left hand rule is used for electric motors, and Flemming right hand rule is used for electric generators. Separate hand need to be used for motors and generator because there is a difference between the cause and effect of both motors and generators. So that's all from my side for this chapter. Do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bless you kids.